Looking for the best pond vacuum for your backyard oasis? Let's dive in. The Owaze PondoVac Classic is a budget-friendly option, but its limited suction depth and small tank capacity make it best for smaller ponds. Step it up with the Owaze PondoVac 4, featuring deeper suction and continuous operation, making it perfect for medium to large ponds. At the top is the Metalla Power Cyclone, a dual-motor powerhouse with unmatched capacity and performance built for heavy-duty cleaning in large ponds. Want more details? Watch the full video now and don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep your pond crystal clear.